morning, everyone. It is a cold, wet day on my Tennessee homestead, and 2 projects are going to be completed today. I am so excited. One of them is my fireplace project, which has been going on for weeks. We're getting that all finished and cleaned up today. And then also the weather seals on the garage doors are getting installed by Michael, who is here. And I'm so excited to get these 2 things done. I had ordered these seals that he recommended. I wasn't able to install them with my limited tool experience. So much going on. Don't go away. Well, I did make a snap decision without any consideration.
Miss Kaye thinks because she buys everything, pays everything, she's the boss. That ain't right.
I've conveniently managed to not help you.
I know it. And to be honest, I'm a little bit hurt.
Are you?
Yes.
You know, you are very popular on the video.
Really?
Yeah, people think you're a really nice man.
Boy, if they only knew. If they only knew the truth. Oh man, if they knew. If they only knew. If they talked to my wife, oh, would they change their mind? They would.
Your wife would not have a good report?
No. No. She's got one, I've never heard it.
Now, I know you're joking, so I want everybody else to know you're joking too.
Well,
You got a sweet wife.
I do, and I love her better than anything, but there's always that but.
There's always that but.
She always tells me, oh, but you got a butt, right? But.
As long as it's in the track, it doesn't matter.
No, that's all. Now, in this end, your driveway, when they poured it, I noticed that when they come up here, this end is lower than that end, so that end's going to smush further in than that end is.
I'd like to get this prepared, but...
Yeah, you told me how much money. I was like, woo! Some people.
What's that?
I mean, I wouldn't do much good. I was in there and just moved water. If you move the door,
I know, it'll be a higher gap.
yeah, it'll be a higher gap. If they put those doors in, they may be able to adjust that door to come down a little bit harder. It looks about right, you can tell the,
Yeah.
but see, you've got room. Yeah, you got room over here for it to smush on down a little bit further.
Well,
Let me see. We may be able to get it to where it barely touches.
Okay, so the verdict is, because the concrete pad in that shop building is broken right down the middle and it's bucked up on one side, the seal is not hitting on this side anyway, which is where the mice and the snakes can go in. So I really am going to have to get somebody over to saw down that bump and repair it. You get a house.
Right. I just don't want a house. I want to build my house. I want, you know, when you get dead set on something, you know, I've had house after house after house, and every time I buy one, I'm like, oh man, I need more space in the garage. I need this. So I really want that house, and I really like to do it myself.
A what? What are you saying?
It's a house,
Oh yeah, you told me about that.
and so I would really like to do that instead of have to, you know, build a garage, you know, with a house and spend more money than what I'm. You know, like I do that.
I was thinking about getting some caster, put it on caster.
Yeah, there is an option in the instructions, so there's no caster. So I was like, okay, it's a different thing.
Yeah, I should have ordered those. But the casters would have to lock. Just
Right.
Yeah.
It'd be pretty nice once it's cleaned up. It'd be pretty.
So Michael just left, and altogether he did the seals on the garage doors, and he sort of assembled this stainless steel work table that I plan to use for potting up, so I don't have to be down on the ground on my knees like I always was in Late Bloomer Garden 1.0. And also he secured my new mailbox, which was sort of, it was on a rotted platform, and I wanted to get a shot of that, and I looked out the window and I saw him down there, and I said, I am not walking down there in the cold rain and to get one little shot of that. So I'm so glad that got done, because you open it and it feels like it wants to just come off on you, and I'm sure that the mail person didn't appreciate that too much. So inside the work continues. Tommy is putting the finishing details, and then we are going to jump in and clean up that room.
What we don't get today, we'll get tomorrow.
Should I get but we can at least put that on? bag.
Oh, I am too. You know, we protected the floor pretty good.
We what?
We protected the floor pretty good. I'm gonna wet this little bit in here.
Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you'll share it with friends. And if you are a late bloomer like me, please subscribe, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Thanks for watching.